Now, if you're a holder of BPro Network, you probably noticed that your bags have been pumping. That's because BPro is currently up 48%. It was higher earlier. And the recent rise is an influx of buyers because of a recent partnership with a company called RealFevr. The market cap of BPro is currently up under $100 million, so there's plenty of room to grow down the road within a year's time. I'm sure BPro Network will be in the billions. As you can see, the growth has been exponential. But let's talk about RealFevr, this partnership, and what it's all about. Well, time is flying, and it feels like just yesterday BPro Network had just announced that their NFT marketplace was ready for developers to use and build on. But already they have a partnership with RealFevr, so that just shows us that BPro not only had their heads down, hard at work on the code base, but they also was hard at work on developing relationships and partnerships. So as you can see, BPro is excited to announce that RealFevr is dropping official football moments using BPro Network's NFT factory technology. RealFevr allows fans to collect the most epic moments in football history from some of the greatest players like Cristiano Ronaldo, and we know how popular he is. So those NFTs are going to be on fire when they come out. So this is incredible news. RealFevr chose BPro Network for its first NFT Moments collectibles in order to offer the following NFT functionalities to its users: NFT minting, rarity, organizing, buying and opening packs, displays, sharing and trading, and much, much more. Season premiere first edition packs are dropping soon. RealFevr's first edition official drop is coming July 22nd, 2021. So out of nowhere, this is on and it is rolling. One of the key use cases for BPro Network's NFT factory is to be able to create different classes of NFTs and make them scarce based on the developer's criteria. In RealFevr, they decided to class football moments NFTs as basic, rare, and super rare. Some of the most iconic and exciting moments in football history will be hidden in these packs, and they will all be available for purchase, viewing, trading, thanks to BPro's NFT factory code base. So when we look at RealFevr is also up 22%, currently at 1 cent, market cap of 24 million, fully diluted market cap of 177 million. And this is incredible. So a lot of excitement. I'm from America, so I don't really know much about football and soccer, but I truly believe other countries do. And as you can see, this announcement has caused an influx of buyers, and they're really excited about what's going on. RealFevr is composed of two moving parts, the fantasy leagues and the collectibles marketplace, that are united through the Fevr token. The token unlocks all incentives within the ecosystem. The main goal of Fevr token is to open the doors to Web3, where you, the user, are the central piece of the network and main beneficiary of RealFevr products. In sum, Fevr token is the gateway to RealFevr packs of football everlasting moments, club launchpads, subscription pools, token leagues, and every other feature that is released in the future. By using Fevr token, fans can collect, borrow, and lend digital collectibles fully backed by intellectual property. Wow, that is very interesting, because I know that football is not very popular in the United States, but everywhere else, I know there's mayhem, a lot of tribalism, and a lot of money involved. So the fact that RealFevr is building NFTs of these famous stars and using BPro Network's code base, that is very bullish for the two tokens. Oh, right here has the tokenomics. The token supply is 16 billion. And I guess it would have to be kind of a high, moderate supply just because of the nature of it, which is probably going to be millions of NFTs and millions sold. So Fevr's utility. Fevr is the main fuel of the RealFevr ecosystem. The goal of the token is to be used as a currency of reference in the collectibles marketplace. Essentially, any operation that takes place within RealFevr ecosystem will occur with the Fevr token as the base currency. So just that alone creates a lot of demand for the token, and that is a very bullish sign. Official partners, Bepro Network, as discussed. Polka starters, see if I recognize anybody else. Moonrock Capital, Gate.io. RealFevr is powered by Binance Smart Chain. So this is very good news for Bepro Network and RealFevr. This is going to prove the use case and the proof of concept. This is the first step for Bepro to show what it's made of. So similar projects like NBA Top Shots has showed us that you can't underestimate the potential of money that could come into a project like this. I don't know too much about soccer, have to look into it, but I wouldn't FOMO because what goes up must come down, and I'll see you in the next one.